guys, today is day one by taking care of my own plant. Look at it, so cute. See, look at it. It's growing its own leaves. I did this yesterday. I planted it, and if you buy this, you grab some and then just put it in water. It will grow. Yeah, my grandma said so. So it did. And look, it's growing now. Follow for day 2. See, it's already growing. Growing plants. Well, today is day 2 because I forgot to record by getting these and then putting it here because my phone space is too full. And see, look at it. No. So cute. This is how you take care of it. Grab a container, put it, fill it with water, only like this height. I think I put more water because you cannot add too much water. Besides, it will grow very big, like almost on top here. If it's already almost on top here, you need to like release the cap and hope it will not fall or anything. That's why you need to duct tape it. Yeah, that was hard. But wow, and then watching SNL. I put no sound, so I can record. So don't mind that. And if it's already day 2, I think this one will grow just a little bit more. And don't smell it because it smells like plant juice now. It smells like plant juice, and this don't touch the water because it's dirty, very dirty. And guys, I'm afraid of the rain these few weeks, but now I beat my fears. I beat them up. Beat. Because before yesterday I was crying so much because there was hard rain, and then I got bored, so I told my grandma, I will go take a bath in the rain, aka Lola. She was like, okay, and she said, okay. I just went outside in the rain and I covered my ears, and it's beautiful. It's like a mangrove swamp, but if you shrink, then I can put you in, and then that's a mangrove swamp, but put on a mask because it smells like plant juice. Don't drink plant juice because it's very bad. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna end now. Bye. And Coco and her baby coconut is just sleeping there. Follow her.